So I'm Krim Storm Dennis. I am a deal sourcer, SP Sourcing Limited. And basically I source deals in London, so rent to SAs and BRRs slash flips.
Amazing. And tell me about the event today. How did it go?
The event today's been good. I mean, the best part about it is not only sitting in that room and finding out all the information, but if you do feel a little bit lost at the time, you also can go back and book in a sit down with the mentors, and they can go through everything with you over again and just solidify what you've learned in the room and help you kind of plan out, map out your business and see where you want to be 6 months, 12 months, etc.
Amazing. And tell me about Samuel. Tell me about the team. How's it been working?
Samuel's amazing, knows how to engage a crowd. I mean, there's a lot of us in there and everyone is laser focused, and Samuel's in the room. Team, they've been really good as well. Ginny in particular, shout out to Ginny. I sat down with her quite a lot over the last couple of days, just kind of, again, focusing on my strategies, sorting out my business plan and properly like fixing in and locking in on finding those deals for the investors.
Amazing. And what do you think the best thing is about the academy and the Samuel Leeds?
Best thing about the academy, I'd say, is the help, the support that you get from the mentors. You get 5 calls a day. Like sometimes you can't even use all of those calls, but the fact that they're there, any sort of question at any time that I have, if I just think of something, I know that I can just go on the app and book, and usually can get a call in the same day, and get the answer for that question, and just a bit of help. And for mindset as well, sometimes if I'm just feeling a little bit like, oh, where am I going? My head's all over the place. Speak to a mentor. They can just help you get right back on the right track.
Amazing. Final question. To anyone who's thinking about getting involved in the academy,
Yeah.
or professionals or anything, what would you say to them?
Do it, 100% do it. It is worth it. And for the simple fact of the support that you get from everyone, it is 100% worth it. And there's so much to the property business in general. As Samuel always says, you don't know what you don't know. And so being around these kind of people, you do know. And as well, you meet loads of people here. Like I've met people my age here that I thought were probably in the same situation as me. No, they have loads of money. They're actually investors and looking to buy deals off of me. So like you can meet anyone here, investor, sourcer, people you can co-source with. You can meet anyone. So it's great for networking as well.